Hey guys, today we're going to do the unboxing and overview of the TrueFree 01 wireless earbuds. So these actually were sent to me by TrueFree, so I have to make a disclaimer that the company did send me these earbuds to review, but they asked for an honest review, right? So I'm not going to, just praise them just because they sent me these earbuds. I'm going to give you guys a fair and honest review of them. Also, I have to mention I will put the Amazon link in the description below if you're interested to take a look at it. They did tell me to talk about the features, so you can see that some of it's on the box here. There's a 16.2 millimeter dynamic driver, and it says it provides immersed sound with crisp, clear, high notes, deep, rich bass, adopts unique directional sound transmission technology, and improves the traditional sound leakage problems of air conduction headphones, so you can fully concentrate on your music without bothering people around you. Okay, 45 hours of playtime. It says up to 10 hours. Basically, it lasts for 10 hours on a single charge, 45 hours of battery life total with the charging case. And then it has a game mode, which can accurately capture the sound of footsteps, gunfire. So that's interesting. It's never heard of wireless earbuds with a game mode, but that's interesting. And it has dual mic for noise cancellation. So it's designed comfortably. It says the open ear design will eliminate pain and make it more comfortable. So your ears will not feel sore and painful even listening to music for the whole day. Designed for sports people and allows you to hear your surroundings. So you can avoid danger when you're listening to your music. Okay, that makes sense. Has 4 microphones with active noise canceling. You can filter out environmental noise. And yeah, basically just talking about the microphones, and there's an ambient mode, basically lets you hear your surroundings. And then you can talk about the technology of the Bluetooth, which is 5.3 Bluetooth. That's actually the latest. With advanced Bluetooth headphones 5.3, you get 2 times faster transfer speed, which is 75% higher than the previous generation. More stable connection, and yeah, this should be pretty easy to pair. It says once you just open the case, then it should automatically be paired with each other, and it should just show up on your device. Okay, cool. This is maximum working distance 10 meters. Frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Pretty normal stuff. Battery capacity 60 milliamp hours, 700 milliamp hours charging case. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the specs of this device. So let's take a look what's inside the box here. By the way, this costs $50 normally when you buy it from, actually $50 Canadian, which is actually more like $35 US. So it's actually pretty affordable pair of wireless earbuds. Yeah, about 35 bucks US. That's actually pretty nice. All right, and if this actually compares well with my other wireless earbuds, which are all more expensive than these, then that's pretty impressive. Alright, so in the box you get the earbuds. Actually, this wireless case is really big for a pair of wireless earbuds. And then you get the manual here, and take a look. TrueFree 01s. Okay, open charging case, take out the earbuds, remove okay, turn you, okay, so pretty straightforward, of course. It should automatically just show up so you can pair it. Paired, use 2 devices at the same time. Okay, multi-device is nice. I think having the latest Bluetooth 5.3 is definitely useful. Open charge case, place it over back, make sure they're correctly. Oh, that's for resetting. Okay. Okay, we know how to. I hope these have good tips. Hope they come with a few tips. A lot of the wireless earbuds and even the high-end IEMs don't really come with that many tips, which is kind of annoying. Ironically, some of the lower-end earbuds I've tried before, like the Klipsch and the Monster Gratitude, came with a ton of a ton of ear tips. But the higher end IEMs, even the $2,000 Noble Audio Cons, which is that's the most I've ever paid for any headphone or IEM, 2,000 bucks US for that. That only came with like a few ear tips, and that's it. I mean, for something that costs that much money, you would think it would come with more. But yeah, for these cheaper ones, like ironically, they usually come with more. So we'll see. So control, you can, okay, it's one of these tapping things. Like, yeah, you have to use touch controls, I guess, which can be a little bit finicky. So we'll see how well it works. Double tap to play pause, single tap. And on the left and right for volume up and down, next track, previous track, press and hold for 1.5 seconds, okay. Double tap to answer or hang up a call, reject So you have to hold. Voice assistant is triple tap. Game mode is also triple tap. Okay. See, there's a lot of finicky commands you have to remember for the touching controls, which is usually why I prefer having physical controls rather than touch controls on these things. Okay, so 3 white lights, 100%. Okay, so that's just the battery charge indicator. USB-C charger. Okay, disconnect. Okay, yeah, pretty straightforward stuff. What else? We get okay, just a regular USB-A to USB-C cable. Alright, and that's pretty much it. See if we give any good ear tips here. So this is a case, like I said, it's a fairly big case for a pair of wireless earbuds. USB-C charging for the case, of course. This is a charging indicator for the case. Open it up. Yeah, there is no other ear tips. That's kind of a shame. Like sometimes even the cheaper earbuds and earphones will provide you with a decent set of tips, but there is no extra set of tips here, unfortunately. Disappointment. Alright, but here are what the earbuds look like. So they are definitely larger than your typical wireless earbuds. They come with this little extra part here. Usually wireless earbuds is just this part, right? But this one comes with this extra part here that hooks around your ear, I guess. I wonder what this part's for. Is this for the touch controls? They added an extra piece for that. Interesting. It says True Free on it. Okay, I'm guessing this is some of the microphones they add for noise cancellation. And yeah, this is of course it charges magnetically inside the case. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. 16.2 millimeter drivers. Okay, we'll see how they perform. But yeah, for the price, $35 US. I mean, let's let's see how well they do. If I'm not gonna, have a high bar for these because of the price, so we'll just see. Ooh, they do come with the little lights here, indicator lights. So if they come close to my, $150 wireless earbuds, then that's actually a win. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so after trying the True Free wireless earbuds for a bit, I got some good news and bad news. Let's start with the good news first. They actually sound pretty good, especially for the price. They have like more of a Harman curve type signature, so that means most people will like it because it has decent amount of bass and some highs, I guess. And it should be good enough for, just a typical person that's not an audiophile. I would say that it sounds almost pretty close to my Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pros, which are about double the price. These are about, $70. So that's pretty good for the price, right? $35, and the sound is pretty decent. It's not going to be as detailed or as clear as my, $150 Master Dynamic MW08s or, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 is not going to be like that. But those are way more expensive earbuds, right? So for $35, the sound is actually pretty decent for the price. So yeah, that's a good thing about it. Now the bad news. So the bad news is everything else. The comfort, I would say they're not too comfortable for me, and especially like due to the design. Like maybe I'm not too used to using like these sporty kinds where it has something that wrap around your ear, because yeah, I'm not really too sure like how to get it in a way that makes it comfortable. I'm more used to just having these AirPod style, right? Or just like having the earbuds themselves. I'm not used to having this type where it wraps around your ear. I can never really get a comfortable fit out of these. Also, I don't think these are water resistant, so even though they say that they, it's good for people who are working out and stuff, not sure if you can put up with people sweating a lot and stuff. It doesn't say it has a water resistance, I don't think. So there's that. Also, it's not really active noise cancellation, and that's what I thought, but there's no active noise cancellation here. Like once you put these on, I can still kind of clearly hear what's going on around me. So I don't think there's any kind of active noise cancellation or even passive noise cancellation, because these don't really fit directly in my ear. They kind of just lie outside of my ear. So as you can see, like with most wireless earbuds, like the Razer Hammerheads, for example, like it's like this, right, where they have this nozzle that goes right into your ear, and that provides at least some passive sound isolation even without active noise cancellation. Now these have active noise cancellation, so these are even better, but it should at least provide some level of active noise cancellation, which these don't really provide because they don't really have nozzles that go directly into your ear. They just sit outside of your ear, as you can see, right? They don't have those nozzles. They just sit right outside of your ear, which means that, I mean, the sound quality is okay, you know, like the way it's designed. Like they have some, you know, pretty decent sized drivers. The sound quality is okay, but yeah, you're not going to get much passive, passive noise isolation out of these. And then you don't have any active noise cancellation either. So you are going to hear your surroundings. So that's part of the news. And the comfort level, yeah, I can never get really comfortable with them. I'm not sure how well they stay in my ear either. And then the other thing is the microphone doesn't really work for me. I'm not sure if this is a defective pair or what, but I tried using it with my phone, just using a voice recorder and using the mics that's built in here, and I couldn't get it working. Like, it just displays kind of static when I try to record my voice. I don't know why. Maybe these are a defective pair or something. I don't know. The microphone doesn't work for me. Tried recording my voice using these mics and just all I get is static. The other thing are the touch controls. The touch controls are really easy to accidentally hit because you do, like once you put these in your ear, it's actually on this. So the touch controls are actually like right here on the tip. So you just basically like touch this with your tip, double tap to play and pause, and then you like hold it to like go to the next song. And yeah, it's very easy to accidentally play and pause a song or to adjust the volume. It's very easy to do that because like when you're trying to fit this in your ear, you need some time to actually fiddle around with it a bit because it's not something that just directly goes inside your ear with a nozzle. It actually, you have to wrap around your ear, right? So it's going to take you some time to fiddle around and adjust with it. And that's why having the touch controls here doesn't really make much sense because you're going to be accidentally touching this the whole time. And that's going to, you know, you're going to accidentally be adjusting your volume and stuff like that. So it's a little bit finicky. So it's very easy to accidentally activate the touch controls, which is one of the reasons I don't like touch controls on wireless earbuds. It's so easy to accidentally activate them. There's also a bit of lag. Like when I play and pause a track, double tapping it, for example, like there's maybe like 1 second of lag before it actually does that on my phone. Overall, I have to say that the True Free wireless earbuds, I mean, it's got pretty decent sound quality, but other than that, I can't really recommend it because it's just, yeah, there's too many other issues for me. Like, that's not even to mention the fact that this case is huge. Look how big it is compared to my Razer wireless, you know, my Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pros, right? You can see this is more like a normal size case for wireless earbuds. Look how big this one is. I mean, sure, you can still fit in your pocket, but if you have front pocket or something, you can fit actually these in your front pocket if you have a shirt with that. These ones cannot do that, obviously. They're just obviously much more bulkier. It's a much bigger case. And yeah, everything else is not comfortable for me. I can't really get a good fit out of it. It doesn't directly go in your ear, so there's not much actually a noise isolation at all. There's no active noise cancellation, but I'm not expecting any because of this price. But still, no passive noise isolation is also an issue, right? The fact that it doesn't even passively isolate anything. No water resistance, and yeah, just the finicky touch controls in the microphone doesn't work for me. So it's all these other issues with these wireless earbuds. I mean, if you just care about sound quality, then fine. Then these are good. For the price, $35, you're getting pretty decent sound quality for that price. But yeah, other than that, all the other features are a little bit wonky, I think. So that's really my honest review on this so far, guys. So thanks to this company, by the way, True Free. They just give us the honest review about our product, and that's the honest review. Sound quality, pretty decent for the price. Almost close to my Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pros, which is double the price. So $35. Sound quality is actually pretty solid, but everything else, it's yeah, I have issues with it. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's my review of the True Free. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions or comments about the True-Free 01 wireless earbuds, let me know. At 35 bucks, I guess I can't be too harsh on this, but yeah, at the same time, if you care about all these other features, other than sound quality, I can't recommend it. But if you just care about sound quality for the price, then I guess this is okay. Yeah, but everything else, maybe you might want to spend a little bit more and get something that actually has better features besides the sound quality. Like the Razer. The Razers actually you can find for as cheap as $60 sometimes, US dollars online, and they provide excellent noise canceling in addition to giving you a good seal as well with the ear tips. So they can provide some good passive sound isolation, of course, as well. And the microphones actually work pretty well, and the case is smaller. Yeah, like the water resistant, everything. Like, yeah, this is like maybe, yeah, like $30 difference. So I would say if you want to have something with the other features and stuff, then the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro is probably the way to go. But if you only care about sound quality and you have only 35 bucks in your pocket, then sure, these might be the way to go. But other than that, I probably recommend the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pros instead. So, as guys, let me know what you guys think, and that's my honest review. As always, thanks for watching.